boys and girls, it's Miss Judy again, and I'm back with you so we can do lesson 2 of chapter 4. We've been talking about life cycles, and in chapter 1, we talked about the life cycle of a sea turtle. And if you look on the board back behind me up here, I've written down a couple of things that we talked about. Number 1 on the board says that the way a living thing grows and changes is called the life cycle. Remember, that word life cycle was a vocabulary word, so it's a very important word that we're going to talk about each and every lesson. Number 2, sea turtles use a special tooth to hatch from the egg. Remember, once they use that tooth, they lose it. They don't need it anymore. And then number 3, you can see that I've drawn a diagram, a picture of a life cycle of the sea turtle. Okay, they start out as an egg. Okay, and then after they hatch, they're a baby turtle. Then they grow up to be an adult turtle. And they can have a family of their own. So that life cycle just starts back over again. Okay? Today we're on lesson 2. It can be found on page 108 and 109. So go ahead and get those science books out and get them open. This is what page 108, 109 look like. We are going to talk about the life cycle of a dragonfly today. Okay? So go ahead and get there. And while you're getting there right away, I am noticing another vocabulary word that's highlighted in yellow. So that means it's an important word that we're going to be talking about on our paper today. And then later on, after we do all the chapter, we're going to have a test. So that means you'll need to know that vocabulary word. Okay, so we're on page 108, 109 for lesson 2. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. You follow along as I'm reading. What is the life cycle of a dragonfly? The life cycles of insects are different from the life cycles of other animals. Many young insects are called nymphs. Nymphs look like their parents but have no wings. Nymphs shed their outside covering many times as they grow. So that vocabulary word highlighted in yellow is pronounced nymphs. Okay? And all a nymph is a very young insect. Okay? And they shed their skin as they grow. Kind of like, a while back when we did that story about Spider. And in the story, he molted. He was shedding his skin. Okay, well, that's what the nymph is doing, this young insect. He's shedding his skin as he grows and to become an adult. And remember, nymphs, if you go back up to the 3rd line, and we'll show you. I'm right here. I'm behind the yellow word, nymphs. I'm going to read that sentence right there, and I want you to follow along with me as I read it. Nymphs look like their parents, but they have no wings. They don't have their wings yet. Okay, that's the only thing different about them. They look like their parents, they just don't have any wings. Okay, so now let's look at the big picture that we see here. This is the life cycle of a dragonfly. And we are going to start here at the top, right there. Okay? And remember, with any type of picture that's on our pages, we always need to be reading the information that goes with our picture because there's very important information there. Okay? So that's where I'm starting right there. And that is a dragonfly egg. That doesn't look like a regular egg. Okay, but it's a dragonfly egg. Okay, so let me read there. Dragonflies often lay eggs in the water. Okay. If you follow your arrow down to this picture, that's a picture of a nymph. Okay. A nymph hatches from the dragonfly egg. First, the nymph lives in the water. Then the nymph crawls to the land. If you follow your arrow up to the big picture of the dragonfly, and I'm reading this information right here, right now, the nymph has shed its covering one last time. Now it is an adult dragonfly with wings to fly. It may lay eggs, and in that case, that cycle's going to start all over again, and it's just going to continue because it's one big cycle. It's a life cycle. Okay. So this was a very short lesson today, but I want to reread it with you just because it is so short. So go back to the top of page 108. Okay, and I want you to follow along and read with me while I'm reading with you. The life cycles of insects are different from the life cycles of other animals. Many young insects are called nymphs. Nymphs look like their parents, but they have no wings. Nymphs shed their outside covering many times as they grow. And let's take a minute. Let's look at the picture of the life cycle again, starting with that egg. Dragonflies often lay eggs in the water. Follow your arrow down. A nymph hatches from the dragonfly egg. First, the nymph lives in the water. Then the nymph crawls to the land. Follow your arrow around to the big picture of the dragonfly. The nymph has shed its covering one last time. Now it is an adult dragonfly with wings to fly. It may lay eggs. So that cycle starts all over again. Okay, so let's review a little bit. What is a nymph? It's a vocabulary word highlighted in yellow. So remember, go back to it and look at it. But you're right if you said a nymph is a young insect. Now, how is that nymph different than its parent? It's a young insect. How is the nymph different? If you said it has no wings, you're correct. A nymph is a young insect that looks like its parents, but it does not have wings yet. Okay? They keep shedding their skin, shedding that outer covering as they grow. Where do dragonflies lay their eggs? In the water. Yeah. They hatch their eggs they lay their eggs in the water and they hatch. And they live part of their life in the water, and then as they get older, then they crawl out onto the land. And then after they get finished shedding their skin and they're all grown, they are the adult dragonfly, and now they have wings. And they're able to lay eggs and start that life cycle all over again. Good job, guys. Okay, let's look at your worksheet for today. It looks like this. Okay, and as always, put your name on the top for me, okay? Or for Miss Sabrina, Miss Allison, don't forget. All right, let's look at your word choices. Okay, we have dragonfly, which is the animal that we talked about today, and which is an insect. Nymph is your second word. Remember, that's the vocabulary word highlighted in yellow. A nymph is a young insect. They just don't have wings. We talked about water, and we talked about their eggs. All right, so the top is same as always. You're reading your sentence, and you're choosing the word that's going to complete your sentence. But down here on the bottom, okay, I'm going to help you out with this one a little bit because it's a little hard and it's a little tricky. Okay, so look at number 5. Is this a picture of a nymph or an adult? How do you know? Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and tell you. It's a nymph. Okay? Now, how do we know it's a nymph? What's so special about nymphs? Go back up to that vocabulary word on the top of page 108. Okay? And that's where you'll find your answer. Hope this helped, guys. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.